in my mind, my mouth is still swollen, and it's not though. That's the crazy part. Yeah, like I feel like my mouth is still swollen, but I realize my whole face is swollen. Yo, that jollof rice got me feeling like really, really thick. Like, it's funny. I don't like being big though, so no more jollof rice for me. Yo, y'all, I know y'all see my videos from when I was in high school. Thick, you know what I'm saying? That's when I got really big. All I did was eat. You know, I still danced and everything, but I ate like all the time. And it was meals, like breakfast, big meal. My breakfast was what is it? Turkey cheese, lettuce, tomato, salt, pepper, oil, and vinegar on a roll, cut in four. And then I would have, you know, my chips and stuff to go with it. Let me run it back. Breakfast was oatmeal and home fries from Jennifer's, the little spot, Jennifer's. And I will also get my turkey, Swiss cheese or monster cheese, salt, pepper, lettuce, tomato, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, a whole bunch of it, and I would eat that for lunch. I would never have no chips left over though. I'll eat that for lunch, and then depending on what they had on the school line, like they might have one thing that was good. But I didn't really go to the school line when I got to high school because it wasn't free no more. I'm like, y'all gonna make me sick. Like, it wasn't free no more. And so then when we get out of school, I would go get some chicken wings. Well, matter of fact, $1 pizza, the French fries with hot sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce, like smothered in it. And maybe, depending on, we might get some rice. It'll be some rice and peas with gravy, and that's it. And then I would go to my friend's house. Her mother was Trinidadian, so she always had some food cooking on the pot. You know what I'm saying? So I eat some food cooking on the pot, or either she had food cooking on the pot or she have leftovers. Everybody in the house act funny about leftovers. I come through, eat the leftovers, wait till dinner time, eat dinner, then go home, eat some ice cream, and that was it. Yo, I used to eat, yo. Don't take your place, there ain't nobody